So, Hinebra at saka NLEX. No? So, yung small ball ng NLEX versus Hinebra. So, dapat doon may tweak. May tweak ka sa lineup mo. Dapat you have to to bring in players defensively that can guard Robert Bolick. Different players that can guard Robert Bolick. Di ba? Kasi Stephen Holt cannot, di ba? Nung inilagay mo si Stephen Holt kay Bolick, ay, may third quarter kasi, it's very crucial. Third quarter, it's where Robert Bolick done his damage to Ginebra. Third quarter, no? Third quarter, umalagwa yung NLEX led by Robert Bolick. So, how could you stop Robert Bolick nung ilagay mo si Holt nung fourth quarter, so medyo nabawasan. But sana, with your short rotation, dapat sumabay ka doon sa NLEX. Again, problem na naman to ng short rotation kasi small ball yung kalaban mo. Yung sinabi nga nung isang yung nag-post ng opinion niya sa Facebook, I think ganun, kung small ball ang kalaban mo, dapat sasabay ka, ma-match up ka sa small ball. No? Hindi pwede yung tatlong bigs ka, tapos ang kalaban mo, small ball. Diba? Kasi yung space mo constricted. At saka babagal ka eh. Babagal ka when you got 3 bigs. Yeah, you got the height, but you definitely lost the speed or defensively that can guard the main orchestrator of yung kalaban. Pinaka-goal doon is si Robert Bolick. If you stop Robert Bolick, you stop the whole offense of NLEX. If you stop Kevin Alas, that's it. If you could stop Cyrus Torres, kasi yung Cyrus Torres, kick out si Bolick, spot up yun, or the drive yung Torres. So, paano mo malilimitahan yung, paano mo lilimitahan yung Torres kung nakakatira siya? Di ba? Kasi di ba? Nilalagay mo si Holt, si Jamie, tsaka si Troy, tsaka masyadong malaki yun. Hindi nila kakayanin yung bilis nung NLEX even on the half court. Kasi Robert Bolick is a great orchestrator. He can shoot from deep, he can drive to the basket, at he's a good passer. So, yun yung key. Hintuin mo si Robert. Pag nandun si Kevin, hintuin mo si Kevin. Alas. So, paano mo mahihinto yun kung yung foot speed mo is nagsasuffer? At kung pagod na yung babantay. Yun yung sinasabi ko. Paano kung at saka, I wonder why Timko never allowed his players to be, alam mo yun, yung atakihin naman nila si Bolick. I-challenge naman nila yung depensa ni Bolick. Of course, babalik ka pero hindi ka mananalo. If you give NLEX 1 quarter that big of a league, mahirapan ka na humabol. Babalik kayo pero I doubt kung mananalo kayo kasi pagod na yung players mo by the time matapos yung laro. Yun ang nangyari. Di ba? Stephen Holt is doing things, doing too much for Ginebra, including offense and defense. Umiscore nga siya eh. Siya ngayon nagpabalik sa Ginebra. Pero ang doon, siya rin ang bumabantay kay Robert Bolick. Kung noong una pa lang in-stop mo na si Robert Bolick, then Holt can take over defensively. And Holt, kasi yung second unit pinasok. Pero yung second unit hindi nag-deliver. So, babalik ka doon sa first unit na nagpabalik sa'yo. Yun yung sinasabi na short rotation. Mahirap gumamit ng short rotation kasi iilang players lang yun. Kapag hindi gumana yun, babalik ka doon sa first 5 mo, which is, yun ang nangyari. And with NLEX, raratrating ka talaga yan. kondisyon sa ensayo siguro, kinukondisyon na yan. Ang kondisyon niyang NLEX talagang matindi kasi small ball sila. Pabilisan sila yan. Pabilisan yan. At saka most of their offense is predicated on outside shots. Si Cyrus Torres, alam nyong mainit, hindi nyo pa dinikitan. So, yun lang pa.